We back, baby. We got a heavy project on the go. Major renovation, top to bottom, addition, underpin. But first and foremost, we got to start with the underpin. So follow along with me as I take you through the steps and detailed information of what goes into an underpin. See, this underpin is going to entail a lot of work, but it's great rewards at the end. We're going to take this 6'2" basement, 6'4", whatever it is, 6 something, 6 small, and we're going to drop it to 8 feet. So from slab to the bottom underside of the joist is going to be 8 feet. Fantastic. First things first, we got to install this bad boy. Love this thing. Makes life that much easier. Pop the window out, and what happens is first we have to take all the concrete out because bins have to be separate. So first we're taking all the concrete out off the slab into the first bin. After the concrete will be all removed, then we get a dirt bin in here and then shoot that up here as well too. With all this digging means tons of bins. Tons of bins means tons of material. There's gonna be a lot of dirt and a lot of concrete. First and foremost, we're gonna get as much concrete as we can out of here because that's the heavy stuff. And then after that, we'll have bins for dirt after dirt after dirt. With the dirt consumption in this house, I guesstimate about 5 to 6 14-yard bins that we'll be using. All right, so once the conveyor belt is hooked up, we then move on to marking our stages on the wall. As you can see on this underpin, we have 3 stages. Each stage cannot be any wider than 3 to 4 feet. You wanna make sure you stay within those guidelines because you will risk not having enough structural support underneath the foundation wall. So as you can see, we have one section already dug out. How this is gonna work is it's gonna be an 8 to 8'2" finish from the under joist to the top of the slab. But we have to take into consideration the footing as well. So we have to dig approximately 9 feet down, account for the granular, account for the slab, and account for the structural integrity spec'd by the engineer. One thing I must say though is we got lucky here because it's sand. Some jobs aren't that easy. Imagine chipping all this when it's clay. Food for thought. We're currently digging out this section and I want to give you an understanding of how we get our height. Pretty much we went off the very first section that we dug, set up our laser, found our point on a level that we're using, and now this will be our reference point every time we dig. Put it here. As you can see, we have about 2 inches left to go in this stage, and then it will be on to the next. As for these cinder block walls, we will be removing them and replacing them with brand new structural TGIs across the whole main floor. So please follow along. It's gonna be a crazy project, lots more to come. Until the next video, peace.